equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, unplug your Dyson HD07. Gather your tools, a screwdriver and a clean cloth. First, remove the screws on the back of the vacuum. Keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover off. This gives you access to the internal components. Next, locate the cable connection. Carefully disconnect the old cable. Take a moment to clean any dust inside the vacuum. A clean machine works better. Now, grab your new cable. Connect it to the same spot where the old one was attached. Make sure it's secure. Replace the back cover and screw it back in place. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Before you test it, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available if you need help. If you prefer, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, plug in your Dyson and check if it's working properly. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. Your Dyson will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.